Hello everyone! Today I'll show you how to install, manage and delete mods in Paralives. Let's begin by opening the mods menu. Here you can find your mods, which you can create by the way, and this will load you into this menu right, and you can upload this to Steam Workshop, edit this mod, change its cover image, show it in the folder, edit information or delete it. You can enable it or disable it by clicking the toggle next to it. I will delete it for the moment. Then let's go to lots. This is a great showcase of how it actually works. You can search any lot right here. You can select either created by the Paralives team, so the developers, created by you, and installed from Steam Workshop. The same goes for households, and there is also a control panel which can help you with locating certain mods. Let's go back, not into credits, I'm sorry, into mods. To actually download a mod, hit Browse for mods on Steam Workshops. This will open a Steam window, as you can see. This gives you option to install some mods, let's say. Let's say I want to install the zoom out more option. And Japanese walls and floors. Little business, etc., etc. Let's see if there are some not households, maybe some households. There are some people already made. Let's say I want Shrek, I guess, because that's quite funny. And of course there are houses. Select simply those that are appealing to you. You can also search and sort by most popular, for example, of all time, and this will show you what other people actually like. This tiny starter home is the most popular by far. And once you are done, simply close this. As you can see, all of the mods that I downloaded are right here in my mods folder. Now I can enable or disable them individually, go to their Steam Workshop page, show the mod in the File Explorer, or delete it. The Paralives team made sure that the game has a great mod support, as you can see. It's really simple to add, delete, create mods, and browse them, of course. And I think that's about it. Thank you for watching, and please make sure to like, comment and subscribe.